Hello guys! Welcome back! So, dito tayo ngayon sa emergency generator. Iti-test natin yung emergency generator guys. Check natin yung langis, tubig. Yan. Yan lang naman. I-elect naman yung sa Baras battery. Every weekend guys. So, ito yung procedure paano mag-start. Okay? So, ayan guys, so, how to start to stop if testing. Ayan. Check cooling, check cooling water level inside of radiator. Ayan. Check na natin ito guys. Tubig dito. Ayan. Check na ito. Okay. Ready? And check engine lube oil by Deep. Dito yung lube oil guys. Ano? Ano? Diba? Diba? Yeah. Put the emergency switchboard circuit breaker to manual. Ayan natin sa manual. Kasi mag-test na manual. Parang may then put the emergency generator in the panel from auto to manual and idle and speed to idle. So hindi tayo maglalagay ng power, so nilagay lang natin sa idle. Pwede ito na. Ito na ito. Picture na muna natin. Okay, balik natin sa so ito yung emergency generator natin guys. Wala itong hydraulic, itong start up, manual hydraulic, wala rin yung matic na manual. Bale dalawang steps lang to para makakanda. Two ways to start this emergency generator. First is by automatic. So during blackout, within 30 seconds, under the bus automatic. Okay. Ayan. Ngayon, pag hindi start automatically, pwede natin start manually. Ang ganun pag-start natin. Ilagay natin dito sa manual. Then, manual. Pwede natin itong tanggap. So, lalagay na natin ang power. Then, start. Ayan ito. Pag hindi, gumana automatic. Okay? Okay ba guys? So, yun lang about this. Our emergency generator. So, thanks for watching.